I used to DoorDash. I was a DoorDasher aiming for 1,800 a month. Well, last weekend I brought in 3,197 from my phone over 3 days. And no, this is not what people think it is. So after 50, start this digital business in 2 hours a day, 3,197 weekend. This is what I titled this because you guys, you got to know you can do what I do. So let's talk about this. I'm going to show you exactly how the math, the system, and why it's the smartest move for somebody our age. 23 months ago, I was doing the dash. 23 months ago, door dashing. I was stuck. I was struggling. I was stressed out. I was running from house to restaurant. You know how it is, back and forth. But after the gas and the wear and the tear on our vehicle, that's really nothing. So that's the exhaustion trap. And I tried other things too, like the little like games and apps and surveys. They sound good until you realize you're trading your life for pocket change. Like it's they're time consuming. Here's the truth nobody tells you when you're over 50. Low ticket anything is a trap. It is. I wish I would have known that before. It requires volume and volume requires time. And what do we not have a lot of? We don't have a lot of time. So that's the reality. Needless to say, I needed something different. Like I needed something drastically different. And if you're watching me today and you need the same, then you're in the right place. I needed something that paid real money per sale, not pennies. Something I could do from home, from my phone, that didn't take me all day or take my life away. I didn't want a 9 to 5 or a 5 to 9, something that didn't need tech skills like experience or a degree because I didn't have any of them. So if you don't have any of them, then you're in the right place. You're in the right company. I just kept praying. That's what I did. I just kept praying, asking God, please give me like a way. I need a way to be at home. Then the worst thing that could happen happened. Okay. Think about what's the worst thing. I lost my beloved black Suburban and my job in the same day, thanks to door dashing. That's when God brought me this. People call this high ticket affiliate marketing, but honestly, I went and Googled what is that, and that's not this. It's not traditional affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, you usually earn a small commission promoting somebody else's product, but this is different. Okay? It's totally different. I sell digital products with 100% profit using an automated online business system. So there's no cold calling, there's no knock, knock, knock. There's no inventory, not MLM. It's not MLM. I'm not bugging family, not bugging friends. There is no shipping products. But yes, you do learn affiliate marketing if you want to on the inside. Now, affiliate marketing the smart way. So, if you've been searching for high ticket affiliate marketing, you may actually be really interested in this. What we're doing here is promoting digital programs that pay 100% profit on numbers like this 900 and 1,400. That's one customer, one sale. And the system to get those sales, it's already built. We get an automated system and a website made for us. And I love it. So, just so you know, I'm not the only one doing this. Look at this. This is Mindy. She just brought in 2,836 hours as a stay at home mom. I love it. Now, don't think that just moms are doing this. Dads, grandmas, grandpas, they're all doing it. Here's another member, Daryl, a dad. He had a 1,400 come in while watching TV. Isn't that awesome? Think about that while watching TV, following the same proven to work online business model as me and 60,000 other members inside of our community. Now, I know what you're thinking, Paula, I'm not salesy. Good, man, you don't have to be. I am the person that cannot stand sales. I don't want to do selling. I hate sales. I've never done the Tupperware. What's the other stuff? Makeup. I can't think candles. I've never done that. So this system does all our heavy lifting. We create our content, share the blueprint, and let the system do what it does by explaining this to them. When they're interested, they'll get the information and then the system will guide them through. That's what I like to call a business in a box. So this is made for beginners We must be willing to learn some new skills. That's really what I brought to the table, new skills, and we create content. I didn't have a degree, I didn't have experience. I had no idea what some of the words meant, like funnel. That was foreign to me, which is why I won't share them now. I had no idea what that was. So I am going to share with you. I had one $1,400 sale that past weekend, one 900, and then I had one upgrade from the 900 to the 1400, which was the $500 sale. And then I sold something that I created, what brought me in 397. So that's how I got to the 3,197 in 3 days. So this is what high ticket means. We don't need volume. That is one of the most important things that I've learned in this journey as somebody who has two Etsy shops that I learned how to create like small, like $3 products. You need a whole lot of volume to actually make an income with an impact. So you don't need 100 tiny sales in this. You need the right system in 2 hours a day. My life looks so much different now. I have time to just sit outside and enjoy being outside without having to rush and go out door dashing first thing in the morning till last thing at night. Last weekend, I was living my life when that system brought me in 3,197. I wasn't driving to a restaurant. I wasn't running around rushing. I didn't even have to leave my house. The system was running in the background and I show up for my 2 hours. Now, I will say that's on one platform. If you want to do more platforms, you can. All right. 23 months ago, I was stuck and stranded. And now I make money from home, from my phone. So I can literally go anywhere in the world as long as I got this thing. I'm able to be at home with my kids and homeschool. I am a homeschooling mom. That's the difference. That's what this gets you. Not just money, but choices. So, time, freedom to be where you want to be. So, if you're over 50, tired of the exhaustion trap, looking for something that actually pays real money without needing tech skills, a degree, or making your own product, I put together a free blueprint. That blueprint is going to explain exactly how this works. It'll walk you through the system, the business model, how the sales work, and what people are actually doing day to day. So have a look at it. Okay. I'm going to drop it right here in the description so you can just grab it right there. The blueprint is free, but the actual business in a box, there are different programs to choose from. Each one is a business in a box, and there's 5 different options. So there's something for everybody, for every budget. And if you have questions, just reply back to that email and I will gladly help you. No pressure, no weird sales stuff. Okay. It's just information so you can decide if this feels right for you. Okay. I hope that this helps you. And I'm so happy that you're here. Drop me in a replay in the comments and let me know where you're watching from. Thank you.